I woke up with a weight on my chest. Same cold room, same prayerless breath. My phone lit up, I let it die. Didn't even have the strength to lie. Mama, don't ask, I'm not okay. I've been sinking slow for days. Smile on my face, storm in my head. Hold me, Lord, before I break. If you can hear me now, I'm at the edge somehow. I need a hand in the dark. I need your voice in my heart. Reach me, Lord. Reach me, Lord. I'm calling from the floor. Reach me, Lord, I can't carry this anymore. Come close, don't let me fall alone. I wore my pride like a jacket tight, till it cut me up inside. Every room I enter feels too small, like I'm the echo in the hall. Friends said talk, but I said I'm fine. Truth is, I've been out of time. My eyes stay dry, but my soul keeps praying. Only you know all this pain. If you can hear me now, I'm at the edge somehow. I need a hand in the dark. I need your voice in my heart. Reach me, Lord. Reach me, Lord. I'm calling from the floor. Anymore. Come close, don't let me fall. Then the room started breathing light, like mercy came in through the night. A broken boy in your holy view, and you said I'm here with you. So I lift up my empty hands to the only one who now call my name. Reach me, Lord. I'm calling from the floor.